Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to run Java program on Visual Studio Code. So in previous video we have learned how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First we need to install Java JDK in our system. So Java JDK should be installed in our system. So in previous video we have learned how to install Java JDK. So if you don't have Java JDK, I have given link in description. Please watch that video and install Java JDK. So let's start. First, we have to install the Java extension package. So here we have the extension button. Click on that extension button and search for Java extension. So you can see this is the Java extension pack which is by the Microsoft. So we need to install this one. So click on this install button. So it will start installing. We have installed the extension pack for the Java. In that we get all this extension like language support for Java, then Java debugger, then test run for Java and Maven Java, then project manager Java and Intellect code. So these are the all packages we'll install in that. So let's try to run our code. So go to files and create new file. So here we have to select the language for which we are writing the code. So click on select a language. Now here we have to select language as Java, as we are writing code for Java. Then let's write our code. So first we are defining our class. So I'm giving class name as first Java. Then open the brackets. So in that we have to write our main method. So in Java basically code will start running from the main method. So let's write public static void main. Then open the bracket and write string args. Then open the main method. In that we are printing one method, that is hello world. So for print the statement in Java we are using SOP, that system.out.println. So let's write that system.out.println and in bracket in double quote write our text which we are going to print. Then give the semicolon and close the main method and close the class. So this is our Java code. First we have defined the class. In class we have our method, and in main method we are printing one message hello world. Let's save this. So keep a note, when we are saving the Java code, the class name and program name should be same. So my class name and file name should be same. So my file name is first Java and my class name is same as first Java. Let's save it. Now let's try to run. To run this Java code, we need to first debug that code, and for that go to run and start debugging. Click on start debugging. So it will start your code debugging. So you can see it is printed our message hello world. So in this way you can run Java code on Visual Studio Code.